My name is Finley Nakatsu. I'm from Hammonds Plains, Nova Scotia, and I'm studying mechanical engineering at Dalhousie University. I decided to come to Dalhousie because, well, it's where I'm from. I'm from Nova Scotia, it's my home, and it gives me an opportunity to be close to the ocean and be able to sail, which is one of my largest passions. What got me into engineering at, I'll say, a pretty young age was my dad, who was an engineer, and doing projects with him in the garage, be it woodworking or whatever else, was really interesting to me. And I think it's what made me decide from pretty much the start of deciding what I wanted to do in my life to pick engineering. I chose mechanical engineering because I am interested in building and designing things that move. So from F1 race cars to racing sailboats like this, things that move and particularly move fast are of particular interest to me. 4-7 sailing came to be from a team that I was part of at Memorial University in my first year called Sailbot. So after that competition, me and some of the other team had decided that we wanted to do a different project, something more ambitious and more focused around mechanical engineering, naval architecture, as opposed to robotics, which the previous competition was centered around. So when we found the Foiling Sumoth Challenge, which is the competition that we're competing in, to build a full-size sailboat that uses hydrofoils to fly above the water at up to 60 kilometers per hour, we knew that this was the competition for us. And with me being at Dalhousie University and having the combined resources of both schools and the people from both schools, it gave us a really, really good opportunity to make a united Eastern Canadian team for this competition. I really became interested in sailing when I was probably 7 years old, and I got out on a small sailboat that my grandfather owned in Ontario. Then, after enjoying that on a whim, my mom enrolled me and my siblings in Learn to Sail in Bedford, Bedford Basin Yacht Club, and I guess the rest is history. I'd say that experiential learning has been one of the best things about the way that I've approached my engineering degree. From being a part of this engineering team, getting hands-on work with composites and with actual design and trial and error of building things, to multiple co-ops at a solar company in Dartmouth. I won't say that it's been more beneficial than the schooling part or the in-class part, but it has been really, really good for building my confidence as an engineer. Additionally, having the opportunity to do co-ops and getting hands-on experience in the workforce and with what I will actually be looking to do after I graduate has been huge for my confidence as an engineer. My passion for sailing has combined really well with my engineering degree, and I kind of see engineering as another way to pursue that passion. So from more of a grassroots, approaching it from the fundamental engineering and physics standpoint, as opposed to just the get on the boat and sail. The biggest advice I'd give any new prospective engineering student is to join an engineering team. Doesn't have to be 4-7 sailing, though I would highly recommend it. Dalhousie has a ton of really, really cool engineering teams, but having that opportunity to do experiential learning and get hands-on experience designing things is going to make your education and experience there so much better. Additionally, having a little bit of calculus experience going into it doesn't hurt.